Okay, good day again, everybody. For the continuation of the basic elevator components, this is the part 2 of the discussion of the said topic. So we already have explained to you the part 1, which has something to do with car, hoistway, machine, drive system, control system, and safety system. So now, on our second topic, we're going to continue explaining the second or the other components aside from that, no? So firstly, we have the hoistway. Yung hoistway na ito, it's like a room or basically hollow part, no, ng ating building which houses the elevator. Ito yung pinaka casing, no, which is made of concrete, no, reinforced concrete to be exact. Buhos siya, no, hindi siya CHB, but some of it may gumagamit pa naman ng CHB, pero it's it's a fireproof wall, no, and the elevator door for the travel of one or more elevators. Pwedeng multiple elevators kasi yung kinikater nito. Pwedeng dalawa or isa. Pwede ding dumb waiter, no, or material lift. So it includes the pit, which I have to show to you later on, and terminate at underside of the overhead machine's space floor or grating. At the underside of the roof where the hostway does not penetrate the roof. Hanggang upper floor lang siya, no? Hoistway is sometimes called hatchway or hatch, no? Baka ma-mention sa inyo later, no? Hoistway din yun, hatchway or hatch. So, ito yung pinaka-itsura nun, no? Yung portion na ito, at yung other side, no? Para kasi siyang opening, no? From ground floor to the bottom, no? So, that's how hoistway looks like inside, no? Your elevator opening or elevator hoistway. A simple definition for the hoistway is it's like a shaft that encompasses the elevator car. So basically dyan siya dumadaan from the bottom level, no, pwede kasi siya hanggang dun sa ground floor or lower ground or basement. So generally the hoistway serving all floors of the building built in high-rise building hoist may be banked with specific hoistways serving only the lower floors, others serving on the middle, while traveling the blind hoistway, which uses the floor that it reserves. So, pwedeng, if your building is designed, no, parang ganyan, there are certain hoistway na designed lang serving the first 3 floors, no? So, yung hoistway mo is dito lang siya. Okay. So, hanggang dyan lang. And then, the other hoistway is serving other levels, no? So, pwede kasing ganun. And other hoistway naman are serving the upper level. So, it basically, you have to transfer, no? Transfer mo yung, ay, syempre, dapat yan. Transfer ka ng another elevator for upper floors. Meron ganun. Hoistway components equipped with following components, no? I have already showed to you the introduction for this, no? So dadaanan na lang natin. These are the basic parts, no? We have the guide rails for both car and counterweight, the counterweight itself, suspension for the hoisting, ropes and cables, and landing hoist doors and buffer on the bottom. For the guide rails, ito yung itsura niyan pag tinignan natin siya dun sa section or sa loob, no, ng ating hoistway. Yung guide rails natin, yan yung humahawak sa car. So this is your car or your elevator car. So siya yung humahawak nun. on the side, and yung guardrails na 'to is siya din yung, connection 'no on the, uh, braces 'no to your, connection to your, hoistway. So, tulong-tulong sila on assembly, whether the car will be going up or down as it guides the elevator car. So, a guide rail